You think after 3 minutes we've made some progress, right? Nope, we've moved maybe a few inches. Honestly, I think my shadow is further ahead than I am. I've started naming the cars around me. To my right, we've got the white car, whatever brand that is. Up front, sir, brake a lot. He brakes a lot. Behind me, white van, wishing he took another route. My GPS still says one north, but emotionally, I've relocated to a new dimension where time stands still and brake lights are eternal. But don't worry, morale is still high. I've got my dash cam, the sound of drizzle, and you, my virtual road trip crew. You know, some people take meditation classes. Me, I sit in traffic and contemplate the meaning of lane closures. Honestly, I may send postcards from here. Greetings from Gridlock. Wish you were here or not. But here's the beauty of it. Even when we are not moving, we are still telling a story, still sharing the ride. Bronze may feel far away right now, but every inch forward is progress. Eventually, probably, hopefully. So, thanks for vibing with me through every red light and raindrop. If you're still watching, you're real. Stick around, we've got miles to go, and the best part is yet to come. See you tomorrow.